Welcome to this episode of Telco to TechCo. My name is Jillian Kaplan, and I'm here with Bayu Hanantasena, the President, Director, and CEO of Lintasarta. Bayu, thanks for joining me. And can you tell me a little bit about yourself and Lintasarta?
Hi, everyone. Thanks, Jillian. Good day, everyone. It's Bayu Hanantasena here. I'm currently serving as President, Director, and CEO of Lintasarta. We are Indonesia leading converged ICT solution provider and also a part of Indosat Ooredoo Hutchison Group, offering everything from cloud, data centers to network, cybersecurity, and managed service. On my background, I have been actually working with IoT Group for more than 30 years now, starting from engineering, to business and, everything until today. So I've been in 3 different companies in the group, including Indosat, Artajasa, and now in Lintasarta. I think for my education background, I was taking engineering, electrical engineering. I got also master degree at MIT. It's great to learn there. It's your place, Jillian.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Just bonded
but
over
very
there.
cold for me. It's a chilly. It's really chilly winter. I've got a lot of problem there, and also very slippery, right? And it's very slippery.
It's true.
I'm happy to be probably one of the few in the company that really get full training on techno commercial aspect of the business. B2B has been always be challenging for many because it requires a nice blend of understanding of the technology and business and all the aspect related to that. It is again also very highly regulated industry, so we have to be mindful of many things. And I think the last point I want to say that as a group, IOH is aiming to empower Indonesia. And as part of the IOH, we aim also to empower Indonesia's business of all size to transform digitally. We know that we are in IR 4.0, and this is a digital and AI era. So we wanted to be an active, enabler of the country to transform digitally, and at the end, our country can be, as developed as hopefully the other developed nation in the world in the next years to come. I think awesome. That's hopefully give some background.
Yeah, no, that was great. And yes, we did bond over the fact that you went to school in Boston and I live near Boston, and it is very cold here. It's still very cold even this time of year.
It is very cold even for you, US.
Yeah.
Can you
For
imagine?
sure. So, you were talking about how you are working to really become a more developed country and you really want to be a part of that transformation. And Indosat, your parent company, has had nearly 15% data traffic growth year over year. And that obviously means that you are enabling that transformation. So how has cloud transformation helped that growth?
Yeah, I think if we look back to the past 20 years or so, it's been enormous, right? 20 years ago, traffic are still mainly voice, right? And text. And now suddenly it's shifted totally to data. But because of that, we can see also in here in Indonesia that because of the digital, literacy is really went up, especially accelerated during the COVID. Everything accelerated during the COVID. And last year, there is a phenomenon of Gen AI and all, right? For us, Lintasarta has been running a cloud business since more than 12 years ago. But the recent development pushed us to transform a lot faster, further, for our cloud to be and get ready to support the digital and AI transformations. Again, even in Indonesia, probably as not as advanced and compared to the other country, but it is really also happening. Indonesian is really, I would say, very affluent on the new technology. because in general, people are curious, and demographically, we are relatively young. So that is why people are very affluent on the new technology. So I think that will give us a good place to start. As I mentioned to you, our brand, Lintasarta brand on cloud names Cloudeka has been running for more than 12 years now. And we have a comprehensive suite of cloud solution, including infrastructure as a service, IaaS, platform as a service, as well as network as a service. So we hope that, and we know that as iOS ecosystem having around 100 million eyeballs, so it's not small, 100 million eyeballs, and covered the full Indonesian archipelago. I think the traffic will be growing a lot faster in the years to come. And also, I think AI will drive the growth further, because now people start to use it really to manage even more on their activities, on daily activities and all. So I think we believe with our cloud solutions, and we are specialized on sovereign. Again, we are sovereign cloud for Indonesia. We run in Indonesia, and there are also some industry that is highly regulated here, that everything that highly regulated and has to be on soil, and we can handle. So we believe with that technological readiness, as well as operational and also right I would say offering to the market, we are ready to support the Indonesian in general, and also iOS or Indosat in particular, in capturing the growth of data.
Yeah, and you talked a little bit about AI there, which is everyone's favorite topic. So I know that you're on an AI transformation journey. How are you utilizing Telco Cloud on that journey?
Yeah, I think, again, if we look at the AI, the nature of AI, it is the data on AI, the data traffic on AI will be very, very dynamic, in nature.
Yep.
And there are at least two big activity there. Training activity, when you train the model, your algorithm and all, and then the inference, when you consume that algorithm, right?
Yep.
On the first training part, it will be very heavy, right? Heavy lifting, but it's going to be not always you're not always on training, but on the inference, it is a continuous consumption. And then we have to understand the nature and get prepare for that dynamics. So basically, we are preparing both here on our cloud to be able to support both the training and the inference.
That's awesome.
We understand there are also different type of AI, right? There are Gen AI, and there are also the normal AI, the industrial AI that has been. There's a lot of different things, different definition as well. Sometimes it's very confusing, but bottom line, what we see is how we can have enough this capacity, because again, it's very dynamic in terms of traffic and workloads and all. And also here, there are a lot of startups starting AI, even in Indonesia.
That's awesome. That's great. Yeah, and to your point, there are definitely different kinds of AI. I know Gen AI is all the hype, but of course there's regular AI too, computer vision and machine learning and all of that. And I know that Dell is providing the hardware for your partnership with NVIDIA on your new GPU as a service product. So who should be working with you to take advantage of GPU as a service, and what benefits can they see as you're going through this AI telco cloud transformation from using GPU as a service?
Yeah, I think just to give you a background, we are recently appointed as NVIDIA NCP or NVIDIA Cloud Partners for Indonesia.
That's awesome.
Yeah, very happy and also very challenging time for us because we have to catch up and we have to move fast. Working with NVIDIA team is very, exciting because they also move fast.
Yep.
Then we have to adjust our tempo as well here to have the tempo similar to the startup, right? And basically, what we see to ensure this is happening nicely is together we have to establish an ecosystem here, right? In Indonesia, AI is still at early stage. There are a couple of, as I mentioned previously, there are a couple of startups that starting AI already. They probably started 5-6 years ago with the chatbot and the NLP things, and now they are becoming more sophisticated. And there are also industry and also enterprise that already using AI, like the banking and FSI, as well as the digital native in Indonesia. There are some unicorn and decacorn in Indonesia, and they are always in some degree using this, especially on their social media when the content is heavy. So we think that or to have a successful journey for the nation, we have to work together very closely and also create a very a cohesive ecosystem for the country, and we should work together between the providers, the startup, the users, as well as the industry and companies that are using AI. Therefore, in Indonesia, we have several I would say association that works on that one. One of them is Corica, and we are also will be joining them. So it's kind of a collaboration, Jillian, that I would say everybody has to be there, including the government. Yeah, we already also start the discussion with the government. They're also very, very excited. They understand that with this digital and AI, we can accelerate the nation growth and development. So everybody very excited. We don't know exactly how we should create together, but I think what we should do is we are moving and keep continuously learning and doing iteration on that collaboration and see what works, what doesn't work, and then keep improving on daily basis. I think that will be the works, the ecosystem, the collaboration that we have to create here in Indonesia.
Yeah, and we have the same kind of thoughts here at Dell about creating an open ecosystem and not being able to really create full solutions all by ourselves, right? It takes a village. So it's awesome you have everyone involved. So congratulations. It sounds like you guys are doing amazing, and I'm really excited about your partnership with NVIDIA and the GPU as a service product. We're excited to be on this journey with you. So thank you so much for joining me. And thanks everyone for listening. Talk to you later.
Thank you very much. Yeah, again, Jillian, and also all the audience, also Dell, thank you. We are looking forward to work closer with you to establish and to grow the ecosystem. So let's collaborate together. Thank you.
Awesome. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.